As the aerospace industry evolves towards a new normal, industry leaders are facing new challenges. Honeywell sees these challenges, and we are here to help you do more with less using Honeywell Forge, an integrated, data-driven software platform that unites the systems that run your aircraft operations. Honeywell Forge combines in-flight connectivity, flight planning and optimization, and flight database and datalink services in a single, seamless platform. Honeywell Forge monitors in-flight connectivity, so your passengers can work or play faster and more securely. Your crew can obtain flight data, including any weather or other alerts en route. And your operations personnel can monitor aircraft location, Wi-Fi disruptions, and fleet performance in real time. Honeywell Forge uses a suite of hardware, sensors, and edge routers to capture and deliver nose-to-tail data while the plane is both on the ground and in the air. Most of these sensors are already in your aircraft, in the engines, the fuel system, the avionics. Now you can make the most out of flight operations data you already have. More than just connected aircraft, Honeywell Forge provides connected operations, driving critical optimization insights from cockpit to corporate, using a blend of data analytics and artificial intelligence, and providing the data and connectivity needed to make every team member an expert. Honeywell Forge provides a comprehensive look at fleet and individual aircraft data, so you can lock in flight schedules, increase efficiencies, and reduce costs. Honeywell Forge can also revolutionize your aircraft maintenance through predictive and prescriptive analytics, overlaid on digital twins of your most critical assets. Now your maintenance team can identify and repair parts before they fail, keeping your aircraft available and in the air. Altogether, Honeywell Forge can save you up to 40% by reducing fuel and emissions, minimizing operational disruptions, and decreasing maintenance and operation costs. The aerospace industry is changing, so change with it. Don't just survive, thrive in the new normal by harnessing your data and seeing your operations in a whole new light with Honeywell Forge.